Level 8 just dropped 2 new carry-ons inspired by the features from their best-selling luggage. And it's not just a facelift. This is one of those rare moments when a company listens to their customers and then builds something better. Ooh, needs to come down a little bit. Most brands just tweak the zipper design, slap on a new color, or give it some new wheels. But Level 8, they re-engineered the entire experience and hid the upgrades in plain sight. A few years ago, they flipped the script when they introduced the Voyager line by moving the trolley handle mechanism to the outer edges to make better use of the interior space.
Inside has a flat surface area and your rails are at the edges versus being in the middle. Makes it a lot easier to pack your items.
But now with the Creator 20-inch carry-on, they've taken things to the next level. They've reimagined how tech travelers actually pack, with a front compartment that holds and protects your laptop, quick access mesh pockets, and a built-in USB-A and USB-C ports so your devices stay charged on the move. Hey guys, if we haven't met, we're Aaron and Todd, and on this channel, we show you how to travel smarter and cheaper using credit card miles and points. If you're all about that free travel life, spam the comments with free travel and an airplane emoji, and let us know where you're from. And if you want to follow our journey and maybe find a travel hack for your own dream trip, then hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free to you, and your support means the world to us. But back to the Creator 20-inch. It's surprisingly lightweight, built with a ultra-durable 3-layer laminated polycarbonate shell and packed with smart details like dual zipper compartments, an eco-friendly interior, and silent spinner wheels. It's not just about convenience. It's really about efficiency. I mean, let's be honest, check bags, they're on their way out. More travelers are embracing minimalism, moving faster, traveling lighter, and with more intention. The Creator 20-inch is Level 8's answer to that shift. Less bulk, more function, and a design that reflects where travel is headed in 2025. Streamlined, smart, and intentional. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Look what others are saying. Bessie M. This suitcase is a winner. Sleek design with a front compartment, perfect for my laptop, and a handy sleeve for extra protection. The nylon front and polycarbonate back make it super durable. Plenty of space inside. Smooth zippers and wheels make travel a breeze. Great customer service, highly recommend. 5 stars. And Justin K. Just got my hands on this suitcase and I'm gonna say the quality is amazing. The telescopic handles glide smoothly and the wheels are super quiet. The opening compartment is super practical for grabbing my laptop on the go. This suitcase makes traveling a breeze. It's definitely worth the money. Highly recommend. Again, another 5 stars. We'll put a card up here and leave a link in the description below where we took 2 Level 8 suitcases on the ultimate durability test, where we took them around the world for 2 weeks on 14 flights, visiting 8 countries on 5 different continents. And actually, I think that's the video playing back here of us showing how those bags fared after 25,000 miles of travel. And needless to say, we were pleasantly surprised. But full transparency, Level 8 did provide us these suitcases in exchange for our honest review. They have not seen the videos prior to being made public, and they did not tell us what to say. Putting our credibility on the line to promote a brand is not something that we take lightly, and Level 8 has proven their worth with each bag that they send us. Many of you leave comments on the video after you've made a purchase, and we love to hear those success stories. We appreciate you guys taking the time to let us know your experience with Level 8 suitcases. You'll find our affiliate link to Level 8's website in the description below. It'll also be pinned as the first comment, along with our discount code Aaron and Todd 12 to save 12% on your order. Level 8 is running some great summer deals right now, so we'll try to keep the description updated with the latest and most valuable discount code available so that you don't miss out. Okay, so future editing Todd here, and as I was putting this video together, I got an email from Level 8 and they sent us the discount code for the huge annual anniversary sale that is happening July 1st to July 20th. So if you use discount code PREAS20 site-wide, everything is 20% off. Of course, you can continue to use Aaron and Todd 12 throughout the rest of the year, but July 1st to the 20th, save 20% by using discount code PREAS20. All right, back to the video. The links in our description are affiliate links, and we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. But those kickbacks, they help keep us on the road to continue bringing you this free, informative, and sometimes silly content on YouTube. Speaking of trips, in just a couple of days, we're leaving for Colorado. We're gonna take this Creator 20-inch carry-on with us, and we'll have a more in-depth review when we get back. Crafted for adventure, its wide handle innovation not only provides a super stable grip, I must say, especially when trying to pull this thing across carpet. It's much easier than the smaller handles, but also frees up more interior space for smarter packing. You see these rails, they run down the sides of the bag, right? So you don't have those divots that you have to pack around, and it just gives you that extra little bit of space. We think that's a fantastic feature. Earlier, I tried to charge my phone from the suitcase to see at what speed the suitcase would charge the phone at. So we have this Anchor battery that tells us the speed that things charge at. My phone was at like 90% earlier, and it was only charging at 5 watts.
It's already got up 3% since we plugged my phone in.
On the front of the suitcase here, you have this little cord that comes out that goes to this, and you've got a USB-A and a USB-C. So we've got it plugged into this Anchor, what is this thing called? Anchor, we'll link it below. We love this little battery. Yeah, and then you just throw your battery down in there, down in the pocket, 22, 23 watts. So I think that is a win. So yeah, there you go. Please excuse my bed head. It was hot outside today and I was cutting the grass. Add in those smooth and quiet 360-degree spinner wheels, a TSA approved lock, and YKK water resistant zippers. You're ready for anything and any condition. Inside, it's all about organization. Dual zippered compartments, a divider, and an eco-friendly lining made from 100% recycled RP polyester. And they even include this laptop sleeve, this hard shell laptop sleeve that fits right down in the spot for your laptop. So again, it's a nice little bonus. If you're a traveler, a digital nomad, a creative on the go, the Creator Carry-On 20-inch is more than just luggage. It's your launch pad for wherever you're headed next. To check out this luggage or explore the full Level 8 lineup, scan the QR code here on the screen. It'll be on one of these two sides, or click the link in the first description or in the pinned comment. Don't forget to use discount code Aaron and Todd 12 to save 12% on your order. Use code PREAS20 July 1st to the 20th to save 20% site-wide. But there is one more thing. When Level 8 set out to reimagine the carry-on, they landed on not only the design that you've seen here in the Creator carry-on, but they made a completely different version, and we have it here. This is the Adventurer Carry-On 20-inch. It's pretty sweet. And you can watch that video right here. We'll see you over there.